Hello, I'm Mihela. Today I'll be talking about a very small cute bird. The lesser sand-plover. You hear the word lesser in many bird names. Lesser means smaller. The lesser sand-plover is a small wader in the plover family of birds. It breeds above the tree line in the Himalayas. Breeding adults have a black mask and a bright orange chest and neck. Males average brighter than females. Non-breeding and immature birds are brownish above and white below with white eyebrows. Compared with slightly larger Greater Sand-Plover, lesser is proportionally smaller headed and darker legged, and its shorter bill has a slight bulge at the tip. Their calls are like locally named Heen Weli Olewiya. I have not seen the lesser sand-plover. You usually find them in coastal areas. The majority of Sri Lankans are Buddhists, and they go to temples to worship. One of the most beautiful temples in Colombo is called Gangarama. It has many relics of the Buddha and a museum. If you ever visit Colombo, don't forget to visit this amazing temple.